What if Audi took everything enthusiasts loved about the RS Q8 and pushed it even further? Imagine a luxury SUV that combines breathtaking performance, sharper styling, cutting-edge technology, and an interior worthy of a flagship grand tourer. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at this stunning 2027 Audi RS Q8 Concept, a bold vision of Audi's next-generation performance SUV. While this is a concept render and not an official production model, it showcases what the future of Audi's RS lineup could become. From its aggressive front fascia and sculpted profile to its premium cabin wrapped in rich brown leather, this concept blends elegance with motorsport-inspired performance like never before. The first thing that grabs your attention is the commanding front end. Audi's signature single-frame grille has evolved into a larger, more sculptural design finished in high-gloss black with an intricate honeycomb pattern. The grille dominates the front fascia, instantly communicating power and confidence. On either side sit razor-thin matrix LED headlights, featuring an ultra-modern lighting signature. Their sharp daytime running lights create an intimidating appearance while emphasizing the SUV's impressive width. The hood features muscular sculpted lines flowing toward the grille, adding visual strength without unnecessary complexity. Lower down, the massive air intakes and aerodynamic front splitter reinforce the RS identity, giving the SUV a planted stance that looks ready for both autobahn speeds and mountain roads. Finished in brilliant white with contrasting black accents, this concept achieves the perfect balance between luxury sophistication and high-performance aggression. Moving around the vehicle, the proportions are simply outstanding. The long wheelbase, flowing roofline, and wide body create an unmistakably sporty silhouette, while maintaining the practicality expected from a luxury SUV. Large black multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches, revealing massive red performance brake calipers behind them. The strong shoulder line extends from the headlights all the way to the rear taillights, giving the body a clean yet muscular appearance. Gloss black mirror caps, window surrounds, side skirts, and roof rails contrast beautifully against the white paint. Every surface looks precisely sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, while preserving Audi's clean design philosophy. This isn't a vehicle trying too hard to appear sporty. It simply looks powerful from every angle. At the rear, Audi continues its evolution toward futuristic minimalism. A full-width LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the tailgate, visually widening the SUV while delivering a sophisticated nighttime signature. The illuminated Audi rings become the centerpiece of the rear design, reinforcing the vehicle's high-tech character. Below, an aggressive diffuser integrates large oval RS exhaust outlets that remind everyone this is no ordinary luxury SUV. The roof spoiler, sculpted rear bumper, and carefully designed aerodynamic elements enhance both appearance and functionality. Step inside, and the transformation is remarkable. The cabin welcomes occupants with premium brown leather covering nearly every visible surface, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, luxurious, and handcrafted. Diamond-quilted RS sport seats immediately establish the performance character, while promising exceptional comfort for long-distance driving. Contrast stitching, soft touch materials, elegant metallic trim, and refined wood accents elevate the interior to flagship luxury standards. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious and premium. Everything appears meticulously crafted to satisfy both performance enthusiasts and luxury buyers. The dashboard showcases Audi's latest digital philosophy. A secondary touchscreen manages climate controls with a clean and intuitive interface. The flat-bottom RS steering wheel, premium gear selector, and beautifully integrated center console reinforce the sporty driving experience without sacrificing comfort. Ambient lighting stretches across the dashboard and doors, creating an elegant atmosphere during nighttime driving. Every control feels carefully positioned around the driver, emphasizing Audi's commitment to ergonomics. Rear passengers receive the same premium treatment. The second row offers generous legroom, supportive diamond-quilted seating, dedicated climate controls, rear air vents, USB charging ports, and premium materials throughout the cabin. The panoramic roof extends overhead, creating an open and airy environment that makes every journey feel more luxurious. Although Audi has not announced official specifications for a future RS Q8 like this concept, it's easy to imagine where performance could be heading. A next-generation twin-turbocharged V8, paired with advanced hybrid assistance, could produce well over 700 horsepower, while improving efficiency and reducing emissions. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system would likely continue providing exceptional grip in every driving condition. Adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and intelligent drive modes could further sharpen handling while maintaining outstanding ride comfort. This futuristic concept would compete directly with elite rivals such as the BMW XM, Porsche Cayenne Turbo E Hybrid, Mercedes AMG GLE 63S, Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX 707, and Range Rover Sport SV. What makes this Audi especially compelling is its balance of understated luxury, advanced technology, everyday usability, and breathtaking performance. Rather than relying solely on dramatic styling, it expresses confidence through precision engineering and timeless design. The 2027 Audi RS Q8 Concept represents an exciting vision of Audi's future. Its aggressive exterior, luxurious handcrafted interior, cutting-edge digital cockpit, spacious cabin, and potential electrified performance create a flagship SUV that feels both modern and unmistakably Audi. If Audi transforms a design like this into production, it could once again redefine the luxury performance SUV segment. What do you think about this incredible concept? Would you choose the 2027 Audi RS Q8 over rivals like the BMW XM, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, or Lamborghini Urus? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest concept cars, luxury SUVs, and future automotive designs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.